Want to make sure your Facebook page is connected to Messenger so customers can reach you easily? In this video, I will guide you how to link your Facebook page to Messenger. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Facebook app on your device. Now, if you created your page using your main Facebook account, the good news is it's already connected to Messenger by default. However, if you're not getting messages, it likely means a messaging setting needs to be enabled. So, open up the Facebook app. Then switch to your page profile. For that, you want to tap on these three lines. Now, tap on this drop down. From here, select your page. Once you have been switched, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. Now scroll down and get to the section of audience and visibility. Tap on how people can find and contact you. Now you have the section of messaging. Here, toggle on the option of allow people to message your page. Once enabled, anyone can contact your page through Messenger and you'll receive all messages directly in your inbox. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.